Welcome. So, today we're diving into a concept that feels like it's straight out of science fiction, but it's happening right now. We're talking about agentic AI.
Exactly. And it's not just about an AI that answers a question you ask it.
Right. This is totally different.
It's about systems that function like a team. They collaborate, they make decisions, and they see a project through from start to finish. We're moving way past that simple prompt and response world.
So, the key word here is autonomy.
That's it. These systems don't need constant handholding. They can, plan their own steps, use tools like a web browser or an API, and this is the crucial part, they learn from their results.
And they do that without a human needing to approve every single step.
Precisely.
Okay, so let's unpack that. When you say an AI team, what does that actually look like? I mean, who's on the roster?
Well, think of it like a really efficient little company. You have an AI manager at the top.
Its job is strategy.
Purely strategy. It takes the big goal from the human and just breaks it down into a list of concrete tasks.
Yeah.
Then you have the specialists.
Like who?
An AI researcher that goes out and gathers all the data. An AI developer to write the code. You've even got an AI designer for the UI and UX.
And I'm guessing a tester?
Of course.
Yeah.
An AI tester that finds all the bugs. And the really fascinating part is how they communicate. It's not like they're just chatting.
No.
They pass information using these superstructured data formats, almost like internal API calls. So when the researcher hands off its findings, the developer gets it with zero loss of context.
That makes sense for efficiency, but it also sounds like you could create some serious silos, The designer makes something beautiful, but the developer built something that isn't optimized for it. How do you prevent that?
That's where the workflow comes in. The specialist's work isn't the final product. It then goes to other agents, like a QA agent or an optimization agent.
Ah, so they harmonize everything.
They harmonize it. It's this constant internal review loop that keeps everything on track. And that's what makes the whole process so much faster and, frankly, cheaper to scale.
And this all hinges on the AI making its own decisions. How does it do that without, going off the rails?
It's all based on data. Historical data, real-time inputs. It runs probabilistic models to figure out the best path forward.
Can you give us a concrete example?
Sure. Think about a marketing campaign. This is a perfect use case for autonomous optimization.
Okay.
A human sets the budget and the goal, say, get more signups. The AI then creates maybe 10 different versions of an ad on its own. It tests them all in real time.
And it's tracking things like click-through rates.
Exactly. Click-through rates, conversions, everything. And then here's the magic. It sees which ad is performing best, and it automatically shifts the budget to that winning version.
All without a single human needing to sign off on it.
Not one meeting, not one email. It just does it.
Wow. Okay, so this is where it gets really interesting for me. If AI is handling all that execution, writing the code, managing the campaigns, what is left for people to do? What's the human's role?
The role completely changes. You stop being a doer and you become a director.
A director.
Yeah. Your job shifts to these very high leverage activities. You become the vision setter, defining the overall strategy, the decision validator, making sure the AI's output actually aligns with your company's values.
And I imagine the relationship side of things is still human.
Absolutely. The relationship builder, that's something AI is still very bad at. But this power also comes with risks, data bias, a lack of transparency. That's why humans have to be the ethics supervisors. You still need that human in the loop for the really critical decisions.
So this is leading us towards a whole new kind of company structure, what you're calling AI native organizations.
Precisely. Companies that are built from the very beginning around AI workflows. They aren't just adding AI to old processes. Their whole structure is designed for it. They're built to scale with automation, not by hiring more people.
So to wrap this up for everyone listening, the three big takeaways are AI can now collaborate as a genuine team.
It can make sophisticated decisions on its own.
And it can deliver complex end-to-end results. This isn't a future state thing. It's transforming how businesses operate today.
And I think the question for organizations needs to change. It's not, will AI replace my team anymore? The real question is, how can I build the most effective AI-powered team?
A great final thought.
So the challenge for everyone listening is this. If you had your own virtual AI manager right now, what's the first big strategic goal you would give it? What mission would you set for your new automated team?